Hi everyone. Now Saturday. I meet with Georgi in the Clark. And I will show to you what's happened now in the Clark. Because so busy in the Clark. We now in the this is cafe here. Cafe Bunch Bakery. And later we can show to you Clark CDC Park. You see so many people now. You see so many, all busy. But discount today for bread from 10 p.m. Yeah, so many bread here. Sweet potato, tiramisu, baked tiramisu. Oh, Nutella babka. Georgi babka, you know, in Russian language babka it means grandmother. Babka. Sweet. Yeah, so many people here. Can sit also outside. Garlic cream cheese 180. Banana bread 120. In Barangay for 100 you can buy all banana bread. Oh, also cakes. Cake is good. Blueberry cheesecake, Georgi, 240. If you want, we can first walk. Georgi don't want. Sweet you don't like now. What happened with your hand? Georgi? Huh?
Fall down.
Fall down where? You forgot where? Fall down. But you been in hospital? Been? And what doctor say? X-ray already have?
Yes.
Don't have big problem.
He don't know what. I can show X-ray. I show him X-ray, but
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure. I think everything okay.
Everything
you
okay.
Need official report. So they did official report. Nothing happened. So everything okay. But still pain.
You have pain.
Yes.
Okay, go outside.
Not broken.
So it's not broken, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Outside don't have people, but live band soon start. Live band. Yeah, outside don't have people. Oh, they repair road now. Georgi want to buy in 7-Eleven water. It's 7-Eleven popular. Oh, so busy, so many people inside. Yeah, so many. Today is marathon. Oh, drink also have water. I'll be already before filming here. Philippine rock band.
Thank you! Wala pa kayo nebulizer? Puso! Para sa inyo. Gabi ng lagi. If you look into my eyes and you should, there's nothing here to stop.
Where's our family?
You can lay a question for me. Sabay, ah. When you fade into the night, let you know. I'm just trying to ask, but the long line, I'll be by your side.
Hungry, Georgi? Don't want?
Close your eyes so you could understand.
Philippine street foods here. Chicken.
You feel the same way for me, we can turn it no one can outside, and everything they die, still you share mine. Just tell me that you know that I'll be by your side. By your side. I'm going to
Starting rain already. And people already from the park going to the home. We don't have umbrella, Georgi. We are now in the middle of a park. Our car, it's maybe 2 kilometers need to walk. Yeah, start rain. And this camera not waterproof. Oh, all hiding from the rain. How many going to the CR? Yeah, they hiding in CR only. Now we are hiding from the rain. Japanese restaurant. Heavy rain right now. Georgi, check menu. You want it here? I already filming menu here. No, price is good, it's not expensive. I don't know how long time rain. Let's need wait. Now we're in cafe, Care Cafe in Gotlark. We just run from the center of CDC Park with Georgi and now sit with Georgi in cafe. And we will go to home now. But so traffic, so many cars, because many people already going to home from the park. Okay, thank you for watching.